newly appointed is called Bishop Wilfred and other dear bishops present here. I think it is intended that the voice of opinion of all the bishops present here to welcome newly appointed Bishop of Jhansi. My joy is renewed, as was said on the day of his consecration. It is double today to witness his installation. Indeed, in the Old Testament, the promise was made, I give you shepherds of my own heart. I had the privilege as a seminarian to have seen and met and spoken to Bishop Fenwick. It was said he has a Maltese smile. And of course, Bishop Godasa, Bishop Fenwick, my good friend, that will drop in here anytime. And he is a powerful. I enjoyed and cherished congregation with him in the seminary. He was a man of few words, but he did great things. To summarize, for my part, as I cherished his congregation in the seminary as a brother, as a priest later, and later, best time was as a bishop. Bishop related to bishop. One point I would like to illustrate here is he thinks of the church wider than when we needed formators in the seminary, very difficult to get one, but he motivated some able ones. Even the trend continues even now. He has always motivated and encouraged common works of the church. He didn't speak much, didn't argue, and I've interacted with him on that behalf. So I congratulate him today for the services he did. And I say this before I go on to words of appreciation and felicitations to newly appointed Bishop of Jhansi. He has a legacy of 4 other bishops, and he is very able to build up on that rich legacy, multiplied 100 times, and give his best. God provides us shepherds of his own heart. A Wilfred brother such, from his entry to the seminary to this date, I have observed from far and from close quarters. He is a man from a big family like my family, 13, and to understand interaction between the siblings is the right form of formation. I would like to summarize his external qualities. Kindness and compassion go together. Kindness and compassion is placed on the field of communion with one another. He is a man of communion. And his qualities of head and heart have been a gift to the church. Wherever he was in all of these places, he has shouldered the responsibilities of regional level. And it is not a surprise that God chose him now to be the leader of his own heart to the richly developed and yet to be developed Bundelkhand area, Jhansi. So therefore I wish him on behalf of all the bishops, all the best, welcome him, the full-fledged bishop of the Agra region. As I said, his external qualities, there is a man, the day one I know him, is a man of prayer. The lessons we learned in both. Prayer is a man of discipline, dedication, and discipleship. 3 D's, which have thrown in a D, I give 3 D's. That he is a man of discipline. Home discipline, prepared with discipline, like the seminary was an inspiration to others. With dedication and discipleship was ahead of him. That led him to be a pastor, priest, a shepherding heart. The shepherding heart is mixed with what I said earlier, kindness, compassion, and communion. Rightly so, Jhansi Diocese is particularly blessed that the Holy Father has promoted Jubilee year 2025 participation, communion and mission. Jhansi has got the right man, the right time to succeed, the right direction Father Bishop Peter has chosen. I congratulate Bishop Peter at the outset. I congratulate the enthusiastic missionary priests, religious men, women, children, beautiful choir, and all the children here. You have great opportunity to cooperate with the new shepherd after the heart of Christ himself. He does not think of himself. He thinks ahead about other people. And today I feel very happy to qualify his personality, prayer, sacrifice, and love. Three words mark his personality. He may not speak much about himself. And there's the reason I share with you my knowledge is a man of deep prayer and man of sacrifice. He was seen in his undertakings and man of love. That qualifies itself authentic compassion. And of course, the last word of the Pope Francis, participation, communion are these qualities. Heart and mission is a passion for him. He does not look for his own comforts, he goes beyond his capacity to comfort and console others. So with these few words, I end here. I'm understanding the time is too long, and the rest of it, his own personality will be revealed to my dear people here. Cathedral is always the heart of the church, heart of the diocese. Nothing wrong. Bishop Peter said he received greatest form of love here, not exception, because Cathedral is the seat of, heart of the diocese of Jhansi. And an artery is St. Jude's Shrine, an artery that flows, sanctity flows to St. Jude's Shrine. I wish therefore Jubilee here. A joyous Jubilee year, pilgrim of hope, and here we have the new bishop who is courageous in his trust in providence. Really courageous, trusting in the providence. The courageous trust leads one to experience divine form of hope. Theological virtues, faith, hope. And trust and hope are based on focus for faith, and love is built on trust. For faith and hope, there blooms the acts of love and compassion. I wish on behalf of all the bishops, Bishop Wilfred Morris, fruitful, effective, and joyous episcopal ministry may promote more vocations in the local level here. At the same time, develop his taste for building up the sense of the church as universal, and church that is missionary. May God give him multiple blessings as he moves on, selflessly to serve and continue the trend of Bishop Peter. He did not ready before perhaps the Buddha, and I admire the efforts of the early missionaries, Maltese missionaries worked here, and trying to witness of it, giving a legacy. Bishop Wilfred will build it further. Unexplored areas will certainly explore, and creative apostolates will undertake. Creative will be new ways of expressing the kingdom values in the midst of those people who do not know Christ yet. But I know those who are the Gulaka and Freddie and Peter, interfaith dialogue and ecumenism is something that Jhansi has developed a special taste. There's a creative ministry to include this explore the possibilities of relating our faith to the rest of those who are yet to receive the good news. May God bless the lives of Nancy. Multiple blessings to Bishop Wilfred Morris. May Nancy's lives flourish further in all areas of mission. God bless you.
धन्यवाद स्वामी जी। मैं सेवा निवृत्त महाधर्माध्यक्ष पंडित सुजात जी को अब मैं सेंट आर्टेमिस कैथेड्रल की गायन मंडली को आमंत्रित करता हूँ कि हमारे नए धर्माध्यक्ष जी को हमारे